Hello, my country, Kyrgyzstan, is blessed with spectacular glaciers and 2,000 lakes. And mountains here and in neighboring Tajikistan together supply 92% of waters in Central Asia. So while growing up in the Soviet Union, I was unaware of the water scarcity and the Aral Sea disaster. Christian Delon, French filmmaker, and I began a research journey in Central Asia. Our goal was to document the impact of the water crisis on the local communities. However, soon Christian fell ill and passed away, and now I want to complete our project. But it became more than just honoring our water mission. It is a love story. It's about love for my country and for Christian, my husband and colleague in filmmaking. The film operates on two levels. On the visual level, we follow lives of people of the Amu Darya River. Also, of course, the Aral Sea. The breathtaking landscapes capture our imagination while music tells stories of resilience. On the voiceover level, in my dialogues with Christian, you will hear about his life and cinema experiences. My own audio diaries highlight my connection to water and personal reflections. I want to show that the Aral Sea disaster becomes a metaphor for filmmakers' struggle for life. In the film, water is a vital thread. It weaves together the visual scenes and narrations. Now the Taliban in Afghanistan have started diverting water from the Amu Darya. Also, gas extraction is expanding under the Aral Sea desert. So these developments most likely to deepen the water crisis and water conflicts. The film is in the development stage, produced by a production company in Kyrgyzstan. The filming is planned for the coming months. The project is a quest to find hope in adversity. Please join me on this compelling journey.